The Big Balloon Race. I'm going to read you chapter 1 today. Balloons, balloons. Balloons, balloons. It was the day of the big balloon race. Ariel got up early and hurried to her mother's room. Please, she asked, can I go up in the balloon with you? Carlotta the Great was putting on her blue dress with the fancy gold braid. You are too young, she said, and winning a race is hard work. But I can help, said Ariel. Carlotta smiled. You can help by riding in the buggy with your father to the finish line. Oh, thumps, said Ariel. Sadly, she went outside. Balloon Farm was a strange farm. In the yard, half-filled balloons sat like giant mushrooms. People came from all over to buy balloons made by Mr. Myers. Ariel watched her father fold Carlotta's balloon, Lucky Star. I wish I could be an aeronaut like Mama, she said. When you are older, said Mr. Myers. Now it is time to go. Carlotta, Ariel, and Mr. Myers climbed into the buggy. Lucky Star followed in the wagon. There was a great whoop-de-doo at the fairgrounds. Thousands of people were there to see the balloon race. It was a big event in 1882. Oompa, 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 played the band. 2 balloons were already in the air. They were tied to the ground by long ropes. Acrobats swung from one basket to the other. Lucky Star and its net were spread out on the ground. Lighter than air hydrogen gas hissed into the balloon. It slowly grew until it was taller than the house on Balloon Farm. 12 strong men held Lucky Star down. Nearby, another balloon grew fat and tall. It was Flying Cloud, a ball of bright colors. Its captain, Bernard Brave, was the best gentleman aeronaut in America. Carlotta the Great was the best lady aeronaut. It would be a close race. I bet you will win, Ariel told her mother. Carlotta gave her a kiss. You can sit in the basket until it's time to go. Ariel got inside the basket and talked to Harry the pigeon. Harry went on every flight. Sometimes he took messages from Carlotta to the balloon farm. The mayor began a long speech. He talked on and on. So Ariel climbed inside the odds and ends box. It was quieter there and cozy and warm. Soon she fell fast asleep. Ariel did not hear the mayor's last words. There's a south wind, he said, so the finish line will be the other side of Devil's Punch Bowl Lake. Ariel did not even hear the drums. Ta-rum! The aeronauts stepped into their baskets. The crowd cheered. Mr. Myers waved to Carlotta. Good luck! She waved her knobby sailor hat. Hands off! Carlotta ordered. The men let go of the ropes. With a jolt, Lucky Star took off. Okay, the next chapter will be ups and downs. So now your job is to go and look at the questions that I have also posted. I want you to read over the questions. I want you to do some close reading. I want you to go back to chapter 1, and I want you to find the answers to these questions. And you don't have to write all the answers down, but you definitely need to be ready to talk about them tomorrow at our reading group. Okay, thank you, scholars. Happy reading.